Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So two new Xiaomi phones have appeared on Tena and these are some of the highly anticipated one. Yeah, we are talking about Mi Mix 4 and Xiaomi CC11. Now in this video we are going to talk only about Mi Mix 4 and maybe in the future about Xiaomi CC11. In any case, there isn't a lot of information available from the listing. Usually we get an image of the device and some specs, but this time all we know is that Mi Mix 4 is present and is soon going to be launched, probably in August. So with that being said, let's get to our intro. Now the specs that I'm gonna tell you is purely based on speculation and some of the leaks that we have, but from unknown sources, so definitely take this information with a pinch of salt. Starting with the display, it will come with a custom 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED curved panel built with an in-display selfie camera. This panel will probably be supplied by Huazing Optoelectronics. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, so my apologies. It will be powered by Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, which is the current best Qualcomm processor, coupled with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The battery will be 5000 mAh with a fast wired charging speed of 120W and 70 or 80W fast wireless charging. This device is also said to use a triple rear camera array with a 50MP Samsung GN1S main camera, and the front camera will be underneath the panel called in-display selfie camera. The Mi Mix 4 is expected to weigh around 226 grams and is likely to be priced around 6000 yuan, that is $924. And that is all we know. Right now there isn't much information available, but do subscribe for more details in the future. So thank you for watching, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.